Robert Estrin. You're watching livingpianos.com. What a piano here, this gorgeous rosewood Grotrian-Steinweg. What is Grotrian-Steinweg? It goes way back to the original Steinway family in Germany. That's right, Frederich Grotrian and Theodor Steinweg teamed up and built pianos. Now, of course, Theodor's father, Heinrich, moved to New York, changed his name to Henry, and changed the Steinweg name to Steinway. But they started off working together, and it's an amazing journey. And I'm going to tell you more about this illustrious piano maker, but I have two selections that shows quite a range out of this magnificent instrument. By the way, these one-piece ivory keys are so immaculate. You know, usually the ivories are split. You see the line? Well, these are one-piece tops. Gorgeous. The care this piano has had is really remarkable. Listen to some Beethoven. This is the second movement of his Pastoral Sonata. Everything is so finely crafted. The action is as smooth as silk. These German pianos made back when it was West Germany. That's right, because some piano companies were in the other side of the border. And of course, the West Germany had a more robust economy, and a lot of people feel the pianos were of a higher quality coming out of West Germany. And there's so many things to talk about. You know, one thing that's interesting is that Grotrian-Steinweg sold all around the world, except in the United States, where because of a lawsuit by Steinway, they had to drop the Steinweg name. And the rest of the world are known as Grotrian-Steinweg. And you notice this nameplate on the front of the piano covers up where it would have said Grotrian-Steinweg, because this piano was made right at that point in 1971, where the lawsuit came down, and this piano in the factory, they had to get rid of the Grotrian, the Steinweg part of the Grotrian-Steinweg name. Interesting bit of history. Anyway, I'm going to play another piece for you, another excerpt really, but this shows a lot, because this is just a little intersection of Chopin's third ballade in A flat. One of the world's great pianos, handcrafted in Germany, all original in amazing condition. You can see seams in the soundboard, which has excellent crown and good attachment to the ribs for robust tone. What's not to like? The gorgeous hand carving, the beautiful rosewood, the ivory keys. At 6'7". It will fit in your home and provide a rich, rewarding sound. Again, I'm Robert Eshton. This is livingpianos.com, your online piano store.